shoot. I got eyes on them.
Where's Nina? Oh, okay. They got the goods. Hey you guys, welcome back to Nene Eats. I'm your girl Nene, and today I am in the car with the Bam Bam, and we are headed to my BFS house for the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everyone. It's about 6. Does that help a little? It's about 6:20 in the evening, which is perfect timing because the sun is starting to set. I wouldn't say it's cooling down because it's not. It's hot as heck out here, and I don't know how hot is it. Somebody, very. Oh, I'm blocking the camera. So I just wanted to come on real quick and let you guys know that it's 4th of July for us. We're headed to my best friend's house. We will be making one stop on the way there. We need to grab some soda and water. And I made barbecue baked beans to bring. I asked her what does she want me to make, and that's what she said. She said barbecue baked beans, water, and soda. So that's what I'm bringing. I have a video up now showing you guys how I made my barbecue baked beans. It's a little different than, you know, you can't really go wrong with barbecue baked beans. So if you guys want to check that out, please check out my last video. It's a beautiful day out here, very bright. So I just want to come on real quick and do an intro and say hi and let you guys know what this video is about, and we will see you guys later. Oh, you're what? Oh, look at the little baby. Ah, she's tiny. Okay, y'all, so oh dang, somebody straight lost a whole pack of hair. We are stopping at our local grocery store, which is Smith's, which for other people would be like Ralph's or Kroger, you know, like that. We are just grabbing some canned soda and water. And I'm holding, you guys hold me accountable. Don't let me get nothing else, y'all. Don't let me get nothing else. You got it? Thank you. So, my daughter Brianna and I ran in here real quick and left the boys in the car, so we really have to hurry up because it's hot out there. Soda. You would think I'd know this store by now. Soda. This way. Ooh, look at the Starbucks. I wish I could flip the camera while I did this. What is the go-to soda that you guys grab when you're going to a party? Comment down in the comment section. I want to know. They don't have nothing fruity, like no Hawaiian Punch, nothing. They got Squirt. Oh wow, they really like don't have any like juice. Like I want it like Hawaiian Punch or something like that. They got Mountain Dew. Ew. Don't get me wrong, I like Mountain Dew, but I was looking for a punch because I don't know what kind of, you know, liquor they have there. So I know for definite Coca-Cola is a good one because more than likely there'll be like Hennessy and stuff like that. So Coca-Cola is good, but I want it. I want a Hawaiian Punch. Yeah, I guess we can go with. Okay. I'm gonna keep looking, y'all. I want to find a Hawaiian Punch. Maybe it's down the juice aisle. You never know, so let me keep looking. Okay, so I found this. I found Mountain Dew Major Melon. It has a charged watermelon flavor. So I think that's the closest we're gonna get. Okay, so that's what we're going with for sodas. And now we're gonna grab some water. They have RC. I haven't had RC. You guys remember RC soda? Okay, water. What? We should probably get ice too. Okay, so that's what we're going with. Let's get out of here before I buy something else because I already just said ice.
No, I'm about to go out.
No, we're all done with the store, baby. We're all done with the store. No, we go to the party. Yeah, party. Bye, babe.
I didn't know that was slime.
No, because you'll get wet.
Hold on, look at the bobs at the bottom.
Ooh, maybe I should make a plate before it's all gone. Ina, outside. Stay outside.
I need water. Okay. Daddy, that's for us.
Where's this photo?
Ooh, mac and cheese must have been good because it's almost gone.
Give me your number so I can text you and send you these pictures I have.
That was a nice one.
No. Move it. You're supposed to play with it. Move it along. Hold it. Move it up.
Oh my God.
Yay, JoJo! That was fun, huh?
Why mine doesn't pop?
It was. You got scared. It goes out on its own. You don't have to worry about it hurting you.
Play with me, man. You gonna see it.
Niagara has fallen. Niagara has
That one was pretty.
Oh my God! You okay?
Hey, Bird. That ain't nothing, my nigga. Bird, that's a K.U.W.T, Bird. Bird.
That's what I'm saying. It's all over here.
What happened? What hit her?
Hit her head. Hit her head.
Ground finale. That was funny.
Right.
Shit, I wouldn't buy nothing if I knew you were my neighbor either. I'll go, oh, Nene got it. I'm good. Right. That was nice. Oh, 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 oh. Woo! They had a ground finale. Ooh, that was funny.